To use Zelle in Canada, you will need to have a U.S. bank account or a bank account with a participating Canadian financial institution. First, you need to check if your bank or credit union offers Zelle as a payment service. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website and using their bank locator tool, or by contacting your bank directly. Once you have confirmed that your bank offers Zelle, you can enroll in the service by visiting your bank's website or mobile app. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name and email address or mobile phone number. You will also need to link your bank account to Zelle by providing your account and routing numbers. After you have enrolled in Zelle, you can start sending and receiving money. To send money, simply enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number in the amount you want to send. You can also add a memo to the transaction to help the recipient identify the purpose of the payment. To receive money, the recipient will need to be enrolled in Zelle and have a linked bank account. The recipient will receive a notification when the money is sent, and the funds will be deposited directly into their bank account. One of the key benefits of using Zelle is that it is a fast and secure way to send and receive money. Transactions typically occur within minutes, and Zelle uses the same security measures as your bank to protect your transactions. It is also important to note that Zelle has some limitations. For example, there may be limits on the amount of money you can send or receive in a single transaction or over a certain period of time. You should check with your bank to determine what these limits are. In addition to using Zelle through your bank's website or mobile app, you can also use the Zelle mobile app. The Zelle app allows you to send and receive money on the go and also provides additional features, such as the ability to split bills and request money from friends. Overall, using Zelle in Canada is a convenient and secure way to send and receive money. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can get started with using Zelle today.